Fog and Smog, the dance of nature and city. Opens with the morning fog, gently wrapping the landscape, creating a serene and mystic view, a nature's spectacle. Fog, a phenomenon of nature, adds charm to landscapes, making them appear like beautifully painted canvas. As day progresses, city life stirs, cars and factories belch out smog, clouding the clear morning air. Smog, an unwanted guest, blankets the city. It's the trade-off for urbanization and development. As evening descends, fog and smog begin their dance, intertwining and enveloping the city in a dreamy haze. This interplay is intriguing. On one hand, there's a poetic beauty, on the other, the grim reality of pollution. This dance is a clash of aesthetics and health concerns, making us question our actions and their consequences. This dance reminds us of our actions, our contribution to the smog, and our responsibility to reduce it. The dance ends with a call for change, to restore the balance between nature and city, beauty and health. The dance of fog and smog continues, a beautiful yet grim reminder of the delicate balance between nature and urban life.